So now that we have learned how to use the if-else, COUNTIF and SUMIF functions, so in this session we are going to use the Vlookup and HLOOKUP functions. Vlookup is one of the most commonly used reference type functions in Excel. It basically enables you to find the data referenced in a lookup table. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup and therefore is a useful tool to use when you want to find something in a table or a range by row. We will look at HLOOKUP also, which stands for horizontal lookup, which looks for data by column instead. So VLOOKUP works by using a common shared key between the source data and the lookup data in the lookup table. So this is the syntax of VLOOKUP function. Here you can see VLOOKUP formula is like this. We have basically 4 parameters. The starting one is the lookup value, that is which value you want to search for. Then the lookup range. Third one is the lookup column, where you need to search for this particular value or corresponding value to this particular lookup value. And last is the false option. So false is basically determines whether the match found has to be exact, that means false, or it can be approximate. So for that you need to use true. So in a formula, Excel references this as range lookup. So the square brackets basically determine like the argument in the formula and signifies that it is an optional argument. So whereas others are required arguments of a VLOOKUP formula. So now let's see the practical of VLOOKUP function. So for that, so now as you understand about the VLOOKUP function, basically VLOOKUP function, we use this function when suppose you have thousands of rows of data of some employees or some students in the Excel, and you want some specific entry for a particular employee or a student. In this case, I am going to show you with a small example, or you can say with a small list, so that you will be able to understand it easily. See, in this particular sheet, I am going to explain you that this is the data which is available to you, and I just want to search the record for a person named Ramesh. I want to search Ramesh salary and designation in this particular list. Same way I'm going to find Divya salary and designation. So now in this case I need to find the Ramesh and Divya salary and designation. So we can do this process manually also, but that will take time if the list is so long. As in this case, the list is very small, so you can see the results. But if the sheet is or if the records are too long, then for that you need VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP function basically stands for vertical lookup. So now let's see that how I applied this function over here. See, I have write VLOOKUP and the first value which I have provided in this parenthesis is that is the lookup value that I just want to search for Ramesh. So as Ramesh is written here over, so this is the cell number A12. Then second is the reference where you need to search these values. Third, in which column number or in which column number your value is there, like here as I want salary and salary is under the column number 4. So say here you need to write the column number 4, and last is the true, that means you just want the exact match. Simply press enter, you will get the result accordingly. And same way here I also applied VLOOKUP function for designation. The only difference is here is that I just provide column number 2 because this time I just want to search a designation of the particular person. Now second, if I need to find here for Divya, I just write Vlookup, then the reference, then comma the range where I need to search, then the salary column is 4, and for approximate match I need to write true. Then simply close the parenthesis and press enter. So it is giving me not applicable. Why? Because the Divya name is not present in this particular list. So this is about the VLOOKUP function.